Hello, in this video, I am going to discuss about a new topic called multi-stage amplifiers. So, we know about the single stage amplifier where there is only one stage, and sometimes those single stage amplifiers are not sufficient enough to produce the required output. In that case, we use multi-stage amplifier. Okay, so by definition, multi-stage amplifier uh, are the amplifiers that amplify voltage, current, and power with the help of two or more stages. Okay, they amplify voltage, voltage, current, and power with the help of two or more stages. Okay, two or more stages. So here the output of one stage is connected to the input of the next stage, and this process is called as cascading. Okay, here we use more than one set of amplifiers in such a way that the output of one stage is connected to the input of next stage, and this entire process is called as cascading. Now in the later part of this video you will get to know how the multi-stage amplifiers are connected. Okay, so what are the conditions for ideal coupling? Okay, this process is called as coupling. That means we are coupling the two amplifiers. Okay, two or more amplifiers. So what are the conditions for ideal coupling? So the first condition is the DC current should not pass from one stage to the next stage. Okay. Uh, Next, the AC current should pass from one stage to the next stage without distortion. Okay, without distortion. There should not be any uh, distortion in the AC signal when it passes from one stage to the next stage. Ideally, it is not possible, but so in practical, it is not possible. But ideally, it is to be considered. Next, the loss of voltage. Okay, the loss of voltage should be minimum. Okay, during this coupling procedure the loss of voltage must be minimum, and next is the coupling network should be frequency independent. Okay, this is wrong, this is frequency independent. Okay, it should be frequency independent. Okay, this coupling should not depend upon the frequency of the AC. Okay, now so next is what are the types of coupling. Okay, there are four types of coupling. One is RC coupling, one is impedance coupling, another is transformer coupling. This transformer spelling is wrong. This TRANSFORMER, transformer coupling, and last one is direct coupling. Okay, so um, I'll be only discussing about the RC coupling. The types of coupling I'll be discussing is RC coupling. Now let us understand the concept of multi-stage amplifier. Means how this different stages are utilized to get an amplified output. Okay, so here we have got a diagram showing two stages. You can see this is the first stage and this is the second stage. We have got two stages, first and second stage. Here Vs, for example, Vs from the figure, Vs is the supplied voltage. Okay, supplied input voltage, supplied voltage. Okay, and uh, we have got, I have shown only two stages, the first stage and the second stage. Okay, let AV1 is the gain for the first stage and AV2 is the gain for the next stage. Okay, AV1 from the figure you can see AV1 is the gain of first stage. Okay, and AV2 is the gain of second stage. Okay, I'm talking about the voltage gain. Okay, so here you can see uh, for the first stage, for the first stage, this supplied voltage is the input voltage. Okay, Vs is equal to Vi. You can see I have only shown two stages, first stage and the second stage. Similarly, we can have more number of stages. Okay, we have only shown two sets of amplifiers for cascading. Okay, now here let V1 is the output voltage signal, voltage signal for first stage, and V2 is the output voltage signal for second stage. Okay, second stage. Now we know that gain in voltage is given by output voltage divided by input voltage. So here AV1 is equal to output of first stage, output of first stage divided by input of first stage. Okay, so it will be, what is the output of first stage? Output of first stage is V1. What is the input of first stage? It is Vi. Okay, so if we look for AV2, similarly, what is AV2? That is output of second stage divided by input of second stage. Okay, now I already told you that in multi-stage amplifier, the output of first stage, that is V1, will act as input of next stage. Okay, so output of first stage is V1, it will act as the input for the next stage. So the output of the second stage is V2. Okay, the output of second stage is V2. The input of the second stage is the output of the first stage. Okay, which is V1. Okay, you can write in bracket input of second stage is equal to output of first stage. Okay, output of first stage. Okay, so this process is the cascading. Okay, this process is called as cascading. So the net voltage gain, okay, and so on we can write. Okay, and so on for the third stage we can write easily. So the net voltage gain is written as AV. It is the product of all, okay, that is V1 by Vi into V2 by V1. Okay, like this. Okay, so what is V1 by Vi? V1 by Vi is AV1. Okay, V1 by Vi is AV1. So it is AV1. What is V2 by V1? V2 by V1 is AV2. AV2, like this. Okay, so this is the net voltage gain for the multi-stage amplifier. But in reality, this is not so. Okay, as we are getting here, uh, the overall gain of the amplifier is like this, but in reality it is little different. In reality, okay, in reality, AV is always less than the product. Okay, less than AV1 into AV2, like this. Okay, AV is always, that is the net voltage gain is always less than this product. Okay, the reason is loading effect. Okay, about loading effect I'll discuss in another video. This because of the loading effect. Okay, in reality AV is always then less than is always less than is always less than this product. Okay, because of loading effect, because of loading effect. Okay, loading effect I'll discuss in another video. Okay, uh, in terms of dB. Okay, in terms of dB, in terms of decibel, that is dB. DB means decibels. Decibels, we can write this net gain as 20 log 10 AV is equal to 20 log 10 AV1 plus 20 log 10 AV2, okay, and so on. So this is the expression for the net gain for a multi-stage amplifier. We can express in two forms. Okay, we can express in this form or in this form. So I hope you have understood the concept of multi-stage amplifiers. Thank you very much.